welcome back to our channel Go Fit with Arva. So in our last video we spoke about what exactly thyroid is and 4 ways where you can short lose weight fast in a healthy way even if you have thyroid. Now I'm sure you must have watched that video. If you have thyroid, you definitely need to watch the video. It is not the regular methods that we give for weight loss. It is much more detailed, much more explained. Things that will specifically work out for you if you have thyroid. Here is the video, go and check that video out. In our last video, we also explained what exactly thyroid is, what are the symptoms, what are the reasons you get thyroid as well, how you can tackle it and work with it to promote healthy hormonal health. Thank you so much for the wonderful response I got in our previous videos. A lot of you were also interested more on thyroid, exactly what kind of diets also you can follow, although I already spoke a bit about it in the previous video, but more information, what kind of drinks you can do and so many other things. So I've already shared a thyroid weight loss diet plan previously. Here is the link. If you want, you can go and check it out. It's super beneficial. This weight loss plan is specifically made keeping in mind you have thyroid. In the previous video, we spoke on the issues we have when we have thyroid, where our thyroid function, thyroid gland is not working properly, which damages your metabolism, your energy, your weight. You might increase weight, you might find it very difficult to lose weight. So this diet plan is definitely going to help you to lose weight and also balance your thyroid hormone. Quickly go and check it out. Did you know that 20 million people in the United States have thyroid? Thyroid is so common, and the United States is a country that already spends a lot on its healthcare and its citizens. If you have thyroid or anybody in your family, friends has thyroid, you need to take the responsibility yourself to tackle the thyroid, to get into a healthy weight, to manage your hormone levels and everything. Hi everyone, my name is Arva Zakir and I am a fitness coach since the past 11 years. I started as a fitness coach, just taking few classes every day, and over the years we've received so much of love and support from all of you from all across the globe that now we have 2 fitness studios. One is in Salmiya, Kuwait, and the other one is in Aberystwyth, UK. We also have online fitness classes, studio fitness classes for men and women. We have meal plan programs, we have physiotherapy with Josefa, and we also have personal training. So if you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to gain weight, you're trying to get fit, get healthy, or you just want to work out to build a healthy lifestyle and healthy habits, Go Fit with Arva is the place to be. We have the perfect solution for your health and fitness needs. We have various classes throughout the day, be it Zumba, cardio kickboxing, yoga, Pilates, and strength training. Online as well, studio. We have our physiotherapy sessions, and we also have our meal plan programs. Meal plan programs are also catered to specific dietary needs and dietary goals as well. How in today's video we are talking about thyroid. I have helped hundreds and hundreds of women over the last 12 years in trying to lose their weight when they have thyroid, because when you have thyroid, you know it becomes extremely difficult to lose weight. A few weeks back, I got the result of this member of ours who lost 6 kgs in just 3 weeks. Even though she has thyroid, she had tried everything earlier to lose weight, but still she was unsuccessful. She was feeling so demotivated, tired, low in energy throughout the day. But she just took our diet plan program and workout program, and she was able to lose 6 kgs in 3 weeks. If it is possible for you, of course it is possible for you as well. So if you want a customized diet plan program or workout program, if you have thyroid and you're trying to lose weight, the registration form is in the link in the description below. Quickly fill it up and I will get back to you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 drinks that you can have if you have thyroid, which is going to help you lose weight. It's going to give you more energy so you don't feel tired, lethargic throughout the day. Plus, it's also going to help you balance your thyroid hormones. So quickly, let's find out what those 3 drinks are. And you can start having it from today itself. So the first thing you can have for your thyroid is green tea. Now, I'm sure you have had green tea lots of times. Most of the time, green tea is regarded as a weight loss drink that will magically help you lose weight. But that's not all. Definitely, green tea is amazing for weight loss as well. But did you know that green tea has lots of antioxidants? Now, these compounds will not only support your cells from damage, but they also support overall metabolic health. Now, these metabolism boosting properties that we have in green tea may specifically be beneficial for people who have thyroid and who are struggling with losing their weight. Studies suggest that green tea may help regulate your thyroid hormone levels and also improve your metabolic rate. You can also switch your daily cup of coffee with a nice and refreshing cup of green tea, because studies suggest that the caffeine that we get in your coffee and your tea, it also interferes with your thyroid function. Having a cup of green tea every day has so many benefits. It is good for hydration, it will improve your metabolism, it It will also improve your thyroid function. Plus, it is amazing for weight loss as well. Especially if you're having this as an alternative to your coffee or your tea, it is amazing. You should definitely have it. Now, there are a lot of questions on how many cups of green tea can you have, what kind of green tea you can have. Does only having green tea help you in weight loss? So no, even if you're having say 10 cups of green tea a day, but you're still eating junk food, if you're still eating processed foods, you're not getting in a lot of steps, you're not getting a lot of physical activities, that green tea is not going to do anything. Understand that green tea is a way to accelerate your fitness goals or to accelerate your weight loss when already you are working out regularly and you're eating healthy. So don't just have green tea and expect your weight to lose. You still have to work out, you still have to eat healthy. The next thing you can have if you have thyroid is bone broth. Now, bone broth has recently gained a lot of popularity for the amazing benefits it has, especially for people with thyroid. It's rich in amino acids such as glycine, proline, glutamine, which are really essential for a healthy gut and digestion. Maintaining a healthy gut is very important, especially if you have thyroid, because this will promote the absorption of nutrients, including those that are crucial for thyroid function such as iodine and selenium. The collagen that you find in bone broth can also be very beneficial for your joint health, for your hair, skin, nails, all of these which are affected when you have thyroid. I'm sure you must have heard about collagen, which is very good for your skin. There are a lot of creams, a lot of treatments for collagen. So why not have it the natural way, which is through bone broth? Making bone broth is actually such a simple and easy process that once you know how to make it, I'm sure you will continuously make it. All you have to do is simply simmer the bones, which are of chicken or beef, whatever you're having, with a bit of vegetables and herbs for several hours so you can extract all the nutrient goodness that bone broth has to offer. You can have is fresh vegetable and fruit juices. This is an excellent way to get all the nutrients, the vitamins, the minerals, and so much fiber and everything that you get from fruits and vegetables. If you do not like the taste of fruits and vegetables, a simple and easy way to get all the nutrients from this is, of course, making juice. Now, a lot of studies also suggest that when you juice a vegetable or fruit, you lose a fiber from it. So if you can have the fruit directly or if you can have the vegetable directly, that would be amazing. But if you do not like the taste and you want to have a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables together at the same time, then juices are the best way to go. When it comes to thyroid health, focus on ingredients that are rich in vitamins A, C and E, and also minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Now, these nutrients, they support immune function, energy levels and overall vitality. So make sure you're having these, which is vitamin A, C and E, and magnesium and potassium. So if you're confused on what kind of juices you should be having, there are so many options available there, right? So I'm going to be sharing two with you that you can try. All these ingredients are simply easily available everywhere, so you should definitely try it. First is green thyroid boost juice. The ingredients you will need for this is lemon, ginger, kale, spinach and cucumber. All you need to do is just blend all of these and have it. Now this juice is packed with vitamins such as A, C and K, as well as magnesium and potassium that I just spoke about. So this is extremely good for your metabolic health as well as managing your thyroid function. If you don't like the strong taste of spinach, cucumbers and kale, another juice that you can try is berry antioxidant blend. You can add ingredients in this such as blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, spinach and coconut. Now this berry antioxidant blend is high in antioxidants such as vitamin C and manganese, which supports immunity function and protects thyroid cells from oxidative stress. If you're also worried about the calories, so the calories in these juices will not exceed say 150 or 200 calories. You can have it as a snack or you can also have it in your breakfast along with something else, because you want to make sure that you're not also under eating to lose weight. You make sure that you're eating healthy, eating balanced meals. So that's it for today. I hope I was able to educate you more on thyroid health and what you can do to manage your health if you have thyroid. It's very important to eat healthy and to work out regularly, at least 5 to 6 times a week. It doesn't have to be high intensity. It can range from just going for a walk can also be counted as a workout. You need to add strength training. You need to add yoga as well. Like I told in my previous video, which is zone 2 training, you need to do that if you have thyroid in order to promote weight loss and also promote a healthy thyroid function. I hope you like this video. Do share this video with your friends and family who have thyroid. It is really going to be very beneficial for them. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload weekly health and fitness tips, workout videos, recipe tips, physiotherapy tips and so much more. If you have any topics in mind that you would want me to talk more on, do leave your suggestions in the comment section below and I will make a video on that. Do follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok as well, where we share daily health and fitness tips, workout videos and so much more. Instagram is where all the updates are happening. So if you want updates on whatever weight loss programs are, what kind of weight loss program you have, or if you want to talk more with me on exactly what kind of weight loss program is perfect for you, so do DM me on Instagram or just email me on this email address below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, do subscribe to our channel and I will see you next week.